anybody see Solar Steve around here? We're looking for him. Everybody in the world is upset with Solar Steve, and we're looking for him. He has destroyed some personal property of mine, and if I find Solar Steve, I'm not a violent person, but I might kick him.
Hi, my name's Solar Steve. This here's my green machine, keeping the air nice and clean. My name's Solar Steve, and I'll tell you something you'll never believe. This here is the first ever in the world's first wind-powered, solar-operated monster truck. And it goes a little faster than that. I made it myself out of garbage. I planted some seeds on it, and I'll let them grow. Come on over here, I'll give you the tour. You see, this is the first monster truck in the history of the world to have its own windmill. Also, if we come around to the rear section, first you have to pass the Enchanted Garden. Come past the Enchanted Garden here, and you'll see we've got a swing for the kids if they ever come by. Because we're entertaining around here. We've got things to do, people to entertain. We got some wildflowers growing in the midst. We've got some oak trees growing on top there. If you come around the back, you'll see the rear engine's powered by a solar panel. If you notice under my cocklebur plants here, you'll notice that I've got overtime CNC shocks on my solar powered monster truck. Because we're not fooling around. We're going to use the power of the sun and the power of the wind. And we're going to make this truck fly. Come on around here. You'll see that it's green all the way around. Because that's the power of the ground. That's the power of the earth. You see, I've got a bird feeder here because we care about all nature's little creatures. We don't want to have no harm here. What people don't understand, they think it's all evil, you know, and I didn't realize that I was evil. I had this dirty black monster truck, just this black stain on the beautiful green and blue earth that we live on. Just this dirty black stain. And I realized it needed to come alive. It needed earth on top of it. And now, the beauty of the earth shows through. No more dirty black stain. Now it's alive with the green beauty of planet Earth. No more pollutants, no more chemicals, no more toxins in the air we breathe. Sure, my monster truck does burn 110 octane gasoline. Sure, my monster truck does burn 5 gallons of fuel per minute. But, as that exhaust comes out and the poison gas rises, my plants eat the gas. They eat the poison gas and put off more oxygen for you and your loved ones. You see, I'm cleaning the air because I care. Go solar. Don't hurt the polar. Come on over here. I could do a little demonstration. Don't be mean. Go green. You see, when the poison gases come out of my exhaust pipes on my monster truck, that's me there, Solar Steve. I'm driving my monster truck, but you don't know because I got a tree on my roof. I've got a tree on my roof. You don't know it's me in there, but that's me. I got solar power on the back, and that's going to let the sunlight shine in and give it power. And I got a windmill on the front, and that is going to spin like a torpedo and send me flying across the racetrack. Those other monster trucks don't have a chance with Solar Steve. I got sun power and wind power. They don't stand a chance against me. And when that poison gas comes rising up out of my exhaust pipes, guess what? My tree's gonna eat it. My tree's going to eat it. My tree eats the poison gas and puts off beautiful, clean, fresh air. Oxygen. Oxygen. I'm holding the air in my hands. I can squeeze it into my mouth, but it's full of poison because this truck here, my billboard burns, baby. It burns diesel fuel and it's putting poison in the air. Your cars are poisoning my earth, but my monster truck's clean. It's mean and clean. You understand the power of that, little lady? Do you understand what I'm trying to say here? My name's Solar Steve, and I'm going to tell you about it. All right? This is solar school. Solar school, and I'm a fool for solar. Did I leave anything out? Is there any questions from the class?
I think you covered everything.
Well, let's see this baby in motion. Let's see me fly. Let's see me fly through the air. 'Cause I just don't care. Oh boy, that's a mess. My name's Solar Steve, and I'm here to tell you, don't never mess around with monster trucks and solar panels and windmills again, son. That there spells trouble, friends. I've got some holes in my oil pan. Yeah, this here's Solar Steve, and I'm gonna need a tow truck.